my name is Ufilinda Walfrida Abu. In this video or reading text video to meet the Mittels text course in English course about always starts from entertainment. In one of my previous articles, I talked about how to speak English fluently by thinking in English. One of the requirements for your floating speaking in your word bank, or in other words, the vocabulary stored in your head. It is well known that storing English dictions can be assisted by both listening and reading. Us listening helps you with the pronunciation and intonation. Reading will help you with the spelling and memorizing the words rather focusing in reading. One can simply force himself to read study books or boring texts in order to be a good learner. Remember that reading can also provide entertainment. So why torture yourself with dreadful, difficult, and heavy texts? If you are a beginner in reading for English, text resorting to fun and light text is always a good call. Stop pushing yourself into reading criminal or scientific texts, often though you really like reading them in your first language, because you will consult your English dictionary more. Thank you. Reading the text. A good therefore be reading a story text, or better yet a children or reading a story short novels. As a good learner, you need to always keep this in mind. There is nothing worse with reading a children's story even if you are in your 13s. For the sake of mastering English, you should never read any types of text. So how do we start? First, choose a story that you've already been familiar with. For example, the classic bedtime tradition that you were introduced to when you were a child. In this way, you will have the upper hand since you are well aware of the storyline and names, as the difference will only be the language. The benefit of doing this linked reading method is helping you to cope with translating too many new words and depending on the dictionary. Next, have your own little notebook and listen to the book if possible to jot down any possible new words and their meaning. Lastly, never get boring in reading the text repeatedly until you are fine with it. You will later not read the story until you fully understand the words and you can read it effortlessly in your head. This may take a few times before you will finally memorize the whole story, including its words, which can eventually help you think in English, since you have already got sense. If you are sincere started and all ready to return or yes, USC team anytime in speaking or reading. Thank you.